Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anjani Azahra. I'm from English Education Study Program, Class A1 2023. And now I want to explain about theory of translation studies. I made this video to fulfill the final assignment of the translation course, and the material contained in this PowerPoint is the result of my understanding of this subject. Happy watching! Okay, the first material is translation studies. Translation studies is an academic research area that has expanded explosively in recent years. Translation was formerly studied as a language learning methodology or as part of comparative literature, translation workshops, and contrastive linguistic course. But the discipline as we know it owes much to the work of James S. Holmes, whose The Name and Nature of Translation Studies proposed both a name and a structure for the field. Okay, next, the applied branch concerns. First, translation training. Translation training are teaching methods, testing techniques, curriculum design. Second, translation aids, such as dictionaries, grammars, and information technology. Third, translation criticism, the evaluation of translations, including the market of students. Okay, the next material is translation. Translation is the process of rendering text or speech from one language, the source language, into other language, the target language, while preserving the meaning, style, and tone of the original content as much as possible. It is a complex and nuanced task that requires linguistic proficiency, cultural understanding, and often subject matter expertise. And the N types of translation. The first is dynamic translation. Dynamic translation is also called as fair translation. For example, short language. The author has organized this book since 1995. Target language first. Penulis telah mengorganisasikan buku ini sejak 1995. Target language second. Penulis telah menyusun buku ini sejak 1995. The next types of translation is ethnography translation. The purpose of this type of translation is to explain the cultural context of short language and target language. Pragmatic translation. Pragmatic translation focuses in the accuracy of the information conveyed by short language. This translation does not pay much attention to aspects in short language. Translation method. The translation method refers to a language teaching method where the target language is used exclusively to convey meaning from one language to another. On translation method consists short text and target text. What is short text and target text? Source text are word-for-word translation, literal translation, faithful translation, and semantic translation. And target text are adaptation, free translation, idiomatic translation, and communicative translation. Translation techniques consist of direct techniques and indirect techniques. Direct techniques are borrowing, calcul, and literal. And then indirect techniques are transposisi, modulasi, and compensasi. And next, what is translation procedures? Translation procedures refers to the specific techniques or action that translator employ during the process of translating text from one language into other. These procedures help translators navigate linguistic and cultural differences to accurately convey meaning while ensuring readability and naturalness in the target language. Here are some common translation procedures: literal translation, transposition, modulation, equivalence, adaptation, cultural equivalent, reduction, expansion, interpolation, compensation, paraphrasing, generalization, specialization. Okay, next, literal translation. Literal translation, also known as word-for-word translation, refers to a translation technique where each word or phrase in the source language is translated directly and closely into the target language. Here are some key characteristics and considerations of literal translation. First, word-for-word accuracy, structural integrity, limited adaptation, suitability, drawbacks, balance with free translation. Okay, next, the last material is translation and culture. Translation is a complex process that goes beyond linguistic accuracy to encompass cultural understanding, adaptation, and sensitivity. Translators play a crucial role in bridging linguistic and cultural gaps to facilitate effective communication and mutual understanding across diverse cultures and languages. Okay, that's all material about theory of translation studies. Thank you for your attention. See you.